What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. What instruments are used to measure temperature? Thermometer, bimetallic temperature indicator, thermocouples, resistance temperature detectors and optical pyrometers. What is a thermocouple? How does it work? Two dissimilar metals are welded, joined, at one end to form a hot junction and the other end to form a cold junction. When there is a temperature difference between the hot and cold junction, a millivolt is produced in the loop proportional to the temperature difference. The amount millivolt production by a thermocouple depends on the characteristic and type of thermocouple like J, K type etc. What is the name of the cable used to connect a thermocouple to a measuring instrument? The intermediate cable used for connecting a thermocouple from the field to the control room instrument is called a compensating cable. What is cold junction compensation? Cold junction compensation is used in temperature measurement by means of a thermocouple. This compensation is to correct the error caused by the room ambient temperature. The millivolt produced by a thermocouple is proportional to the temperature difference between its hot and cold junction. The cold junction is the ambient temperature control room. Without cold junction compensation, the temperature at the hot junction will measure inaccurately. What is an RTD? How does it work? Resistance temperature detector, RTD, is temperature sensor that exhibits an increase in resistance when subjected to an increase in temperature. What is PT100? What is the resistance, in ohms, of a PT100 at 0 degrees centigrade? PT100 platinum resistance, which offers 100 ohms at 0 degrees centigrade. What are the advantages and disadvantages of an RTD over a thermocouple? RTDs are accurate at a lower range of temperature measurement such as -200 degrees centigrade to +200 degrees centigrade. RTDs are expensive compared to thermocouples. Also, there are limitations in measuring at the higher range temperature. Why does RTD measurement use 3 wires for a field signal connection? 3-wire system is used in temperature measurement by an RTD to compensate the line resistance. 3-wire system provides a Wheatstone bridge in the measuring instrument. What is a bimetallic temperature instrument? How does it work? Give an example. In a bimetallic temperature instrument, two metals with different temperature coefficient of expansion are attached together. Due to its expansion characteristics, the higher coefficient of expansion responds more than the lower one and a twist on the element is formed. This principle is used in designing temperature measuring instrument for the lower range. What is a field-type temperature instrument? Give an example. Principle of change in the liquid expansion with the change in temperature is used in designing the field-type temperature measuring instrument. For example, the glass thermometers, field-type capillary temperature dial indicators and switches. Field-type temperature measuring instruments are used for lower range temperature measurement. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA